Hey guys, what's up? I'm Manohar Shukla and today I welcome you all on my YouTube channel once again. Yes, I'm becoming consistent. So first of all, I want to thank you all so much for such an overwhelming response on my music video and my first song, which I released I guess 1 or 2 days back. So I thank you all so much. Like I wasn't expecting so much from that song because I made everything on this old iPad's GarageBand and like it had 1 or 2 flaws and I wasn't expecting like you all would like it so much, but after seeing your comments and the response in this video I was shocked and yes, so I want to give some dates regarding it. It is released on Apple Music today on 19th September 2021 when I'm filming this video, and it will release on Spotify and other streaming platforms in 4 or 5 days max. Okay, so I hope you will also stream there, and I urge you and I'm requesting you to please stream those songs there because it will support me a lot and will help me a lot, and it will also encourage me to make new songs and like new creations further in future. So I hope you will do this for me, and thank you all once again. And plus I also released a video about Blackpink's Lisa and in which I reacted to her solo La Lisa, which was released a few days back. And so if you haven't watched that video yet, please watch this video. I would put the link of this video, my music video, like all these things in my description and a pinned comment. So I hope you will check them out also if you haven't already. And if you like this video, which I'm going to do right now, so please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's start. So you must have seen many YouTubers in YouTube India and I guess international scene also that nowadays a challenge is trending. A challenge is trending.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
That challenge is guess the YouTuber by his or her voice or his or her hair. So you can see so many YouTubers which did it, like Thagesh and Pokhara and Sandoz are Indian YouTubers. So I thought I should also go with this trend. तो इसलिए मैंने आज सोचा कि कुछ इसमें इम्प्रोवाइज़ करके कुछ नया तरीका से लाके एक नया टचअप करके मैं ये चैलेंज करूँ. सो आई थॉट ऑफ डूइंग दिस इन दिस वीडियो in which I'm going to guess the music artist by their hair. That is a fun concept I thought. So, and I think I'm the first one to do this. I don't know. No, this can be also because many people must have done it before. But yes, I'm doing it right now today in this video. So I hope you all will like it. These challenges, like from this one onwards, it will be more fun for you and me both when you all will also play with me. I hope you will enjoy this video, and in this way when you will also interact with me and आप लोग भी मेरे साथ खेलोगे वाला चैलेंज या फिर पार्ट लोगे इसमें, तो इसमें आपको मज़ा आएगा साथ में अगर आप करोगे तो इसलिए फाइनली आपको बताया तो गाइडलाइंस क्या क्या है. फर्स्ट, 20 आर्टिस्ट के फोटो दिखाए जाएंगे. सेकंड, हर आपको गेस करने के लिए हर आर्टिस्ट को गेस करने के लिए आपको 15 सेकंड्स मिलेंगे, 15 सेकंड्स. थर्ड, आपको पहले हिडन एक फ़ोटो दिखेगी, उसका आपका करेक्ट आंसर भी दिखेगा उसका, तो उसकी टेंशन आप मत लेना, ठीक है. एंड फोर्थ, बस एंजॉय कीजिए वीडियो को और लाइक करना मत भूलना. लाइक करिए वीडियो को पसंद आए तो, एंड डू सब्सक्राइब एंड क्लिक द बेल आइकन and comment down your thoughts and share this video as much as possible wherever you can. So let's start. First artist, you can see the photo here. So I'm trying to guess it. This is the photo which you are seeing right now. So I'm trying to guess, and I think I got it. 2 or 3 details I saw. First one, that there's a Grammy Award icon behind, and obviously this is a girl because long hair and all the face structure and those are also correct. So I think this is a girl, and yes, obviously, and in her ear I can see a tattoo here, like in this region, if you can see it closely. So I think this is Ariana Grande, but let's see, because I know that when she went to Grammys, her hair color was this only, and she was like she had a photo in this pose. So I think this is it. So let's see the correct answer. Yes, it's correct. It's correct. Okay. Next artist. Okay. Like obviously, this is very obvious. The bangs and the hair, the skin color. So I can figure out that this is Lisa Manoban from Blackpink. So yes, I think this is correct answer. Yes, this is correct. Tell in the comments like what did you get this correct or not, and every artist which is going to come. Next, let's see the next photo. I have to tell it quickly. I think I'm taking a wild guess because I can see the VL there. So I think this is for V Live, and V Live is for the mostly the K-pop artists. So, and the hair is also like this. So I think this is Rose from Blackpink. Yes, let's check. Correct. Correct. If Blackpink members will come, Ariana will come. So obviously I will say it correct. No doubt, because you know, you have seen the previous videos. I'm a fan of them, big fan of them. Now next photo. Who is this? बाल देख के लग रहा है कि लड़का है obviously. पीछे photographers खड़े हुए हैं and I don't know. टाइम खत्म, शायद टाइम खत्म हो गया है. देखते हैं कौन है ये. Justin Bieber है. Oh, he is Justin Bieber. When did he get this haircut? I think this photo is from Met Gala 2021. Now fifth artist. I can see the bangs, the blue background, this hair, and that mic. What we said, MC. I think it's called MC or mic receiver. I think, I don't know. But I think I'm taking a guess. This is Jennie. I think this is Jennie. So let's check. Yes, I am correct. This is Jennie from Blackpink. Now next artist. Who is she? I think this is Jisoo, because I remember this is her actress profile which YG released on their website. So I think this is Jisoo. Let's check. Yes, this is Jisoo from Blackpink. Next artist. I remember this hair. I think this is Weeknd. The Weeknd, I think. Is it The Weeknd or someone else? No. Yes, The Weeknd. Let's check the answer. Yes, correct answer. So I'm doing pretty good. I just got one wrong till here. Yes. Let's check the next one out. Next artist. Some purple lights are behind, and this is too difficult to guess. Like, I don't know this. Let's see. No, I don't know. Who is this? Oh, Arijit Singh. Oh. Okay. Shit, I got two wrong. What can I do now? अब आगे देखते हैं कौन कौन आने वाला है. Let's see. Okay. Side profile. I can see the ear. Not much can be seen in this photo. How will I guess? I think this is Selena Gomez. I'm guessing Selena Gomez because I think in this photo she is there. So I think it's Selena Gomez. Let's check. Yes, Selena Gomez. I don't know. I just saw from that old head area and that ear which I saw. It was just a guess. So till now, write in the comments what all artists did you get right, and tell me are you enjoying this video till now or not, and hit the like button if you are. Okay. Next artist. Okay. They had such a messy hair. We have this hair, messy hair, and I think he's taking a selfie with this phone. And I said he because the person is looking like a man. Is it Charlie Puth? Because recently he's been having this long hair and messy thing in his head going on. So that's why I think this is Charlie Puth. Let's check. Yes, it's Charlie Puth. I hope you like this video. मैंने कुछ नया करने का ट्राई किया इस बार, so मुझे उम्मीद आपको पसंद आएगा ये. और कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताना कि आपके कितने सही हुए आंसर्स, इनमें से कितने गैस आपके सही निकले, एंड कौन कौन सही हुआ कौन कौन गलत हुआ, तो कमेंट्स में लिखिएगा ज़रूर से. एंड yes, so I hope you were entertained, and if yes, then give it a big thumbs up, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon, because when you click it you will receive the latest videos which I upload. That's it for this video. Now let's end this. I have said this thing again and again, but last time saying this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, and comment and share, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.